Now let's see about a scientist who discovered inheritance of acquired characters. Okay, so his name is Gregor Johann Mendel. He is the father of genetics. So he done experiment in pea plant. Mendel was educated in a monastery and went on to study science and mathematics at the University of Vienna. Failure in the examination for teaching certificate did not suppress his zeal for scientific quest. He went back to the monastery and started growing peas. Many others have studied the inheritance of traits in peas and other organisms earlier, but Mentor blended his knowledge of science and mathematics and was the first one to keep count of individuals exhibiting a particular trait in each generation. This helped him to arrive at the law of inheritance that we will discuss in the later chapter. So the father of genetics is known as the Gregor Johann Mendel. He done experiment in pea plant. He done experiment in pea plant because it is very easy to cultivate and to get next generation. So father of genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel. He done experiment in pea plant. So when we are learning about heredity, the most important thing we should know that are chromosome. Without chromosomes, we cannot learn heredity. Okay, so let's see what is chromosome, where it is seen and how it is functioning. Okay, so this is a cell. Suppose this is a cell and in the center of the cell we can see what? This is the nucleus. So inside the nucleus we can see some thread-like structure that you already studied in last year classes. Thread-like structure that is known as the chromatin. Okay, so this is nucleus. Inside the nucleus we can see chromatin. So at the time of cell division, at the time of reproduction, this chromatin will condense. Condense means it will become short and it will form like this short condensed structure that is known as the chromosome. This is known as the chromosome. Okay, this happen only at the time of cell division. The thread-like structure will condense to form chromosome. So at the time of cell division, actually we are a adult human being have 46 chromosome. At the time of cell division, it will divide and 23 only will go to the offspring. So it will divide and form like this structure. Okay, so this is known as the chromosome. So inside the chromosome, we can see DNA. DNA, you last year I think you have studied. DNA is a spiral structure. So inside the chromosome, if you see one portion of the chromosome, you can see DNA. Okay, small fragment of the DNA is known as the gene. Like this fragment, this is known as the gene. Okay, so these genes are present in the chromosome. Once again I will say chromatin at the time of reproduction it will condense and form chromosome. Chromosome contain what? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. DNA contain is each segment of DNA, small segment of DNA is known as genes. It is clear? Okay. So in this gene, two parts will be there. That is known as the gene which contain characters are known as the allele. Allele. Okay, so if you have seen that if I am taking tall character tallness, it will contain two alleles. Okay, so one character will be dominant. This will be dominant and this will be recessive. So both characters are the tallness also is the shortness also is there, but this character tall character character is dominant over this recessive character. So we can see tall character physically. Okay, so I will explain little more in the next session. So is it clear? So in the cell, inside the cell, center part is known as the nucleus. Nucleus contain chromatin. Chromatin at the time of reproduction, it will contains to form chromosome. Chromosome contain a spirical, small part of the chromosome contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. The small segment of DNA is known as gene. It is the hereditary material. Gene contain allele. This one character is known as the allele. Of dominant allele will be the recessive allele will be the. So it express characters in an organism. Hope it is clear to you.